Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can build or create a resume on Indeed.com in 2026 using the Indeed built-in resume building tool. So let us guide you through it. So guys, head over to Indeed, log into your account, for example via the web application, and click into your profile icon in the top right and select profile. Here on the next page guys, you will have these two options. You may either upload a resume, for example as a PDF or Word file stored on your device, or you may, as previously mentioned, use the built-in building tool. So let us go with that option here. And after that, start creating your profile. So let me enter an example first name and the last name, and do the same also for an example phone number. Just bear in mind to just remember to use the correct country code here, guys. And you may also enable this option, show my number on Indeed, if you'd like to give your future potential employers the opportunity to, to contact you via that phone number if you like. So do that, or it's doing that is optional, of course. Click into continue. Next, provide information about the location. You can change the country here. Click into the drop-down menu and select one of these countries. Street address, city, state, and a zip code, and click into continue here. And after that, guys, Indeed will ask you to provide information about your educational background. So go with that option here first, add secondary higher education, and after that go through these fields like high school, diploma, for instance. You can provide information about the school. However, doing that is not mandatory. Only those fields are mandatory that have been marked with a star icon like this. These are required. So you can skip that one, that one, that one, and also this one. But you can, of course, provide information about your education. For example, at the time period you visited or went to school. Click into save or add additional details. And after that, you may review your education information, for example, edit it, remove it, or add more. For example, if you visited or if you have visited or have gone to several schools, high schools, etc. After that, click into continue and add your work experience. Job title, like, IT or something like that, technician. And again, guys, these fields are not mandatory. As you can see, they haven't been marked with an icon like this, but the more information you provide here, it's up to you, of course. So yeah, go through that menu here, time period, description of your previous job, and click into save. And after that, you may review that one as well. Let us skip this by clicking into continue, and after that, provide information about your main skills. They recommend here on Indeed to add at least 6 skills. However, doing that is not mandatory. So let me just go with 1 or 2 examples: IT and desktop support, communication skills. But you don't have to use these suggestions. You can click into this button here and look for specific skills like social work or something like that, and click into continue here. And after that, they will ask you to provide information about certifications and licenses you have acquired. So again, you can use these suggestions here or click into this field and to look for, let me look for IT or something like that. So let me go with this one just for the sake of this tutorial. You may remove these or edit these here. Also, guys, you can always save and exit the resume building process if you don't want to complete it right now by clicking into save and exit here and return to it later. Your progress will then be saved. So let us finish this now and click into continue here. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to give your resume a final review. Go through it, and if you're okay with it, click into continue. And in the final step, guys, simply provide information about what you would like to do next. For example, if you would like to add job titles, job types, your schedule, and so on and so forth, and confirm your resume by clicking into finish here. And that's it. Your resume is ready. So you can continue to your profile, and there you go. You will see a resume here. And if you uploaded a resume, you will also see it here. And below you will see also resume suggestions if indeed believes there's space for improvements for your resume, like for example information you skipped that may turn out to be helpful. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.